Hello, my name is Ricky Weissman, instructor of the DGSA. In this video, I will introduce you to the basics of manual trigger point therapy, also known as the Swiss approach, which are used since the early 90s. Manual trigger point therapy is often an excellent and effectful addition to dry needling because you can treat the facial structures more specific. Studies have shown that both methods are effective. Therefore, manual trigger point therapy can be used in patients who cannot tolerate dry needling or where it is contraindicated. Check the indications and contraindications. You will find a separate video for that. The Swiss approach consists of 4 manual techniques. Technique 1, trigger point compression. Technique 2, manual stretching of the taut band. Technique 3, Myofascial Release, and Technique 4, intramuscular mobilization. In this video you will see the Technique 3, which is Myofascial Release on the upper trapezius muscle. With Technique 3 the fascia should get more mobility in all directions. It also helps the patient to relax. Bring the muscle in a slightly stretched position. Mobilize and stretch the fascia with your palm or fist. According to the mesh structure of the fascia, you should treat in all directions. For best effects, apply Technique 3 very slowly with a firm pressure. Repeat this treatment step for several times. Technique 3 should be pain-free and in a relaxing way, and it can be applied along entire muscle chains. You will get the best result for Technique 3 if you follow these rules. Apply the technique slowly. Repeat the technique several times and change directions. Considering the structure and anatomy of the fascia, it makes sense not only to work on the affected muscle but in a larger surrounding area. Note that there is no rule to always use manual trigger point technique 1 to 4 in the same order. For example, with sensitive patients, it can make perfect sense to start with Technique 3, which is a more gentle and broad facial technique. To complete your manual skills, check out the video tutorials for the other techniques of the Swiss approach. I'm Ricky Weissman. Thank you for watching and don't forget to visit us on Facebook.